English Shorthand Junior Grade First Paper January 2020. Yes, get ready, start. Typewriter is a mechanical or electromechanical machine for writing characters similar to those produced by a printer's movable type. Typically, a typewriter has an array of keys, and each one causes a different single character to be produced on the paper by means of a ribbon with dried ink struck against the paper by a type element similar to the sorts used in movable type letter press printing. With older typewriters, a separate type element called a type bar corresponds to each key. More recent ones use a single type element such as a type ball or disc with a different portion of it used for each character. At the end of the 19th century, the term typewriter was also applied to a person who used a typing machine. The first commercial typewriters were introduced in 1874 but did not become common in offices. The typewriter quickly became an indispensable tool for practically all writing other than personal handwritten correspondence. It was widely used by professional writers in offices and for business correspondence in private homes. Typewriters were a standard fixture in most offices. Thereafter, they began to be largely substituted by computers. Nevertheless, typewriters remain common in some parts of the world or required for new specific applications and are popular in certain subcultures. In many Indian cities and towns, typewriters are still being used, especially in roadside and legal offices due to a lack of continuous reliable electricity. The typewriter keyboard continues to be the standard used in computers too. Although many modern typewriters have one of several similar designs, their invention was incremental, developed by numerous inventors working independently or in competition with each other over a series of decades. As with the automobile, telephone, and telegraph, a number of people contributed insights and inventions that eventually resulted more commercially successful instruments. Historians have estimated that some form of typewriter was invented 52 times as thinkers tried to come up with a workable design. Typewriter went into commercial production in the year 1870 and was the first commercially sold typewriter. It was a success in Europe and was reported as being used in offices in London. This typewriter, together with the placement of the letters so that the fastest writing fingers struck the most frequently used letters, made the first typewriter to produce text substantially faster than a person could write by hand. The first typewriter to be commercially successful was invented by Americans, although shows disowned the machine and refused to use or even recommended it. It looked like a cross between a piano and a kitchen table. This was the origin of the term typewriter. Remington began production of its first typewriter in New York. It had a keyboard layout which, because of the machine's success, was slowly adopted by other typewriter manufacturers. As most other early typewriters, the type was straight upwards. The typist could not see the characters as they were typed. Coming into the market, the index typewriter uses of a pointer to choose a letter from an index. The pointer is mechanically linked so that the letter chosen could then be printed, most often by the activation of a lever. The index typewriter was briefly popular in the markets, although they were slower than keyboard type machines. They were mechanically simpler and lighter. Dear sirs, we bring to your kind notice that, and with reference to the property in Bengaluru city, Chamarajpet area, in which you are interested, we regret to inform you that our client will not accept your changed offer for it. He quotes the figure he mentioned at our last interview and insists that he has no intention of reducing it, probably because he is not over anxious to sell the property for any unnecessary purpose. In the circumstances, it will be necessary for you to accept the terms and conditions that were stated in our letter of Saturday last. In our opinion, we do not think that they are unreasonable, and there is no doubt that the premises will appreciate rather than depreciate during the next few years. Further, we think that if you do not decide promptly, you will be too late, as we know that another firm is very anxious to purchase. Some time ago, you asked us to bring to your notice particulars of any freehold stock property investments which we considered attractive, and we should be glad to know whether the following appeals is justifiable. A substantial established shop with flat above on full repairing lease for 20 years without break to an establishment at rupees 50,000 per annum at a price of rupees 7 lakhs. We shall proceed to take further details on knowing your positive interest in the matter. Yours faithfully,